Carnival Cruise Lines is finally back in the Grand Turks, and we have a home port for Royal Caribbean's new and largest cruise ship at sea. We'll get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Now, I don't know about y'all, but the wind has picked up here in Texas, and it's blowing in that mountain cedar, and it's just driving all this crazy. I don't know what it is, but my allergies and mountain cedar, they just don't get along. So if I sound a little funny today, that's going to be why. All right, the Grand Turks. Now, we've had some issues with Carnival lately where we've had to eliminate and change itineraries and not go to the Grand Turks. Well, officially, the Grand Turks is back open, and Carnival Cruise Lines has stopped there with the Carnival Freedom. So finally, Carnival is back in the Grand Turks. In a statement from Christine Duffy, who is president and CEO of Carnival Cruise Line, we are delighted to bring Carnival Freedom back to Grand Turk and to offer our guests the opportunity to experience all of this port's beauty once again, said Christine Duffy, president of Carnival Cruise Lines. On behalf of Carnival, I would like to thank the Turks and Caicos Islands government and all of our partners on the ground in Grand Turk for working with us to make this opportunity possible. So another cruise port back open, back in business, back to accepting cruise ships, and always, that is a good thing, especially if you like to visit the Grand Turks. And Royal Caribbean's newest and soon-to-be largest cruise ship, when she debuts in March of 2022, Wonder of the Seas, well, she's going to officially be home porting in Port Canaveral, Florida. Now, if you remember, originally Wonder of the Seas was going to debut and sail in China. Well, all of the cruises out of China have been canceled. She's been relocated back to the United States, and starting in November of 2022, Wonder of the Seas will sail from Port Canaveral. Now, this has created some changes with Royal Caribbean as far as the ships and their locations. So Harmony of the Seas, which is currently going to be sailing from Port Canaveral, Florida, well, Wonder of the Seas is going to take over for Harmony of the Seas in November of 2022, which means if you were booked on Harmony of the Seas for November 2022 or later out of Port Canaveral, well, you're going to be moved over to Wonder of the Seas. So you're going to have an opportunity to sail on a brand new cruise ship just for having already booked Harmony of the Seas. Now, Harmony of the Seas is going to go over to Fort Lauderdale, Florida from November 2022 to March of 2023, before then moving over to Miami, Florida, to pick up some of the stuff from Symphony of the Seas. So all these changes and redeployments can definitely mean some different things for folks that were scheduled either on the Harmony of the Seas, Symphony of the Seas, between November and April of 2023. Look, if you're booked on one of those cruises, you're going to get an email letting you know what your options are, what's going to happen. Folks that were in suites, everybody's supposed to get moved over to a similar accommodation on board whatever ship they're going to be moving to. There may be some suite issues. They're going to offer different onboard credits depending on what category you were in and what ship you're moving over to. So if you're booked on any of those ships, either Symphony of the Seas or Harmony of the Seas, like I said, definitely keep an eye on your email. If you have not received it already, you should be receiving one here in the next couple of days, letting you know about those specific itinerary changes, including a cruise cancellation for November the 6th of 2022. Apparently that entire cruise has been canceled off the Harmony of the Seas, as they're going to do the transition from Harmony over to Wonder of the Seas. So definitely keep an eye on your email. That way you can be apprised of any changes, give you the option to say, hey, I like it, hey, I don't like it, in case it doesn't work for you and you decide to cancel your cruise. But if you're going from the Harmony of the Seas to a brand new cruise ship, Wonder of the Seas, I don't know how many people would actually want to cancel that, but hey, you never know. Like always, you do you. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.